Okay guys, that was just a quick short ride. Right about now, I'm gonna switch off the bike, come off it, and show you guys the basics of how to ride a motorcycle. Today we're riding a 2024 Yamaha MT25. As you can see, it has a Yoshimura exhaust. That's not why we're here today. Let's get right into it. Start with, you sit on the bike, get it off the ground, balance it up. I don't know if you see that. Just balance the bike off the stand. That's to start with. Then next you get rid of the side stand or kickstand. Then you turn on the ignition, just like that. So of course, when you see a neutral light, it means the bike is not engaged in gear. You can rock it back. It can actually roll because you have this light on. The moment it's on any gear, it means you have to put neutral anytime you want to start your bike. So let's crank this up. Yep, there we go. Here's your throttle. It's your front brake, your foot brake right here. Right here you have your clutch. Everything you want to do on your motorcycle has to be progressive. Be it the clutch, be it the throttle. You can see how progressive that feels. Not, nah, you want to take it easy. So just to move your motorcycle, you don't even need your throttle yet. Just to make that clear to you guys. All you need to do is to clutch in fully. Make sure your clutch is fully in. You have to know how to do this a whole lot. Clutch fully in, then you engage your gear. When your gear is engaged, you want to hold on to the handlebar. We're not gonna be twisting this at all. We don't need it. You need your front brake, you need your rear brake. Yeah, you do. We're not going fast, yes, but I just want to show you guys how to ride on your clutch alone. Releasing this now is going to engage the bike and make it moving. By the time I get to the friction zone, the bike starts moving. Let's have a go on that so you guys can see. You feel that? The bike's moving already. You pull it back in, the bike slows down. You let go of it a little bit, bike's rolling. You find balance. You can see I'm not holding on to this, so you know I'm not on my throttle at all. Just doing it with the clutch. You want it to go faster, you release the clutch more. You want it to go slow, you pull it in a little bit. The speed starts dropping. You can brake if you need to stop. I stopped with the foot brake, having to press it down just a little bit. You want to roll out again, you ease out on your clutch, as progressive as it can go, till you can let go of it. As you can see, I'm holding on to the mirrors at the back end, just to show you I'm not doing anything else than balancing the bike. Okay, let's have a quick turn around. You have to always look when you want to turn. Let's have a go on that again. Let's stop and roll again. Neutral, your clutch all in, then to your gear. Your feet down as a beginner. You'll release your clutch slowly, progressively. You can see that the bike is rolling till you can let go of it progressively. When you find your balance, it's possible the bike goes left and right like this, but you have to always find your balance. How do you get your balance? Let me break it down easy for you guys. Just project a straight line ahead of you, like you're riding into a straight line that only you can see, is visualized. Looking for balance at this kind of slow pace. You can see my feet are still out. That's if you're scared. You can drag it on the ground just a little bit if you want, for starters. If you can ride a bicycle very well, I'm sure you must have been riding already if you're following this video. So right about now, you can get your feet off the ground slowly, as slow as possible, and just have to do with the handles. Turn left, right to look for balance. The bike is trying to fall left, you turn left a bit, it brings it back. It wants to fall right, you turn right a bit, it brings it back. Then where are you bringing it back to? Into that straight line that you have visualized in your head. Anytime you're riding, make sure you're riding way ahead. That straight line, you have to see everything ahead of you. Every single thing ahead of you. Let's turn and have a quick go on the clutch walk again for those that didn't get it. So the bike on neutral, running. I'm seated, kickstands out, clutching all the way, gear 1, releasing the clutch as carefully as possible, as progressive as you can go. Slow, 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 slow. It's moving on 8 kilometers per hour already, as you can see. You release the clutch progressively till you let go of it. And every time you ride, make sure you're covering this, because when you need to stop, you also need to clutch in, then brake. That's when you are as slow as possible. But if you're on your high pace, you don't really need to do that. You can brake or release your throttle to slow down progressively, like I'm about to do right now. You can feel it stopping. That's the engine braking. Take it up again, release it again, just a little bit of throttle and dropping it down. Anytime you're about to make a U-turn, check your mirrors, all clear, turn your head and turn the bike. Can never be more easier than that and more safer than that. This because I'm on throttle just a little bit. That's why it's on 12 kilometers per hour. When I go off the throttle, it goes down a little bit. But it's not going to go off. It's going to ride on its own. I'm literally doing nothing right now. Let me stop again and move again so you see. You're neutral, clutching all the way. Gear 1. Let go of your clutch slowly, 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 till you can let go of it. Then you find balance. Once you have your balance, you can get your feet off the ground. Then chase that straight line. If you need to go faster than this, after you've done some couple of practice, you can progressively increase your throttle here. You can see it's increasing. You're gonna slow down, release throttle, let it go as slow as you can get. You clutch in and stop. You're gonna move, ease out on your clutch progressively. Observe your road always. Clutch out, throttle walk. Yes, sir. If you're riding at this pace, it's okay as a beginner, but when this is getting boring, you need to go further. At this speed, the bike is requesting for an extra gear up. You know your gear 2 is just a step up, so you just clutch in and step up.